So if you've been looking to gift something to your father for maybe Father's Day, or celebrate his presence in your life, or celebrate his birthday, or honor him on some special occasion, it'll be so amazing if you just painted these paintings as a daughter, as a wife, as a son. It'll make such a special and a heart-touching gesture for them. Hey everyone, welcome to Artishal's Art Academy and welcome to this brand new class with me, your host Shilpa Lalit. Just in case you don't know me, my name is Shilpa and I am also known as Artishals on the internet. I'm an artist, a very passionate art educator as I love sharing my art with others, and I'm a mom of 2 beautiful kids. Now this class today over here that I'm going to share with you is a little bit or a lot extra special and very close to my heart. No matter your father or no matter your husband who's the father to your kids, this class will take you through a very emotional journey and celebrate the existence of these men in our life, their presence in our life. And we will be doing this by painting 2 beautiful paintings. We will celebrate the unbreakable bond between a father and a child with this heartfelt acrylic painting workshop. As you pick up the paintbrush and immerse yourself in the world of colors, let your emotions flow into the canvas, capturing the essence of your love and appreciation for your dad. With every stroke, reminiscence about the countless memories, the laughter shared, and the unwavering support that only a father can provide. This workshop is not just about creating a beautiful masterpiece. It's about expressing gratitude, honoring the man who has been your guiding light. Join us for an unforgettable experience that will leave not only a mark on your heart but a stunning artwork that you can just gift to your dad, or you can gift it to your husband who's the father to your kids, or just display them in your homes, honoring their existence in your life and thank them for their presence and their sacrifices. I'm very excited to take you through this entire class because in this particular class I have tried extra hard to make it very beginner friendly. So no matter, even if you have never touched the paints or brushes, you will be able to paint this painting. I just wanted to make sure that no matter who even thinks or wants to have this gesture for their father or their husband, their dads, they should be able to paint this painting. So if you have never painted before, don't worry, I will guide you through the entire process. And while you're going through both these paintings, you have me to guide you and support you and answer your questions. So don't wait, just grab your paint and brushes and get started painting these beautiful paintings with me, and let's together honor our dads and the men in our life who have created examples for us, who have sacrificed so many things in their lives to bring us up, to be there for us. And I certainly definitely missed my dad while painting this painting because he's back in India, I'm in Canada. So it was kind of an emotional journey painting this because he truly has spent his life sacrificing so many things to give us the life that me and my sister has today. And I see my husband doing the same thing. I see my husband working really hard and sacrificing a lot of things so that he can give our kids the best life they possibly can have. So these 2 men, my dad and my husband, they both have been a really big inspiration behind this class, and I really hope that you will be able to feel the emotions and you will be able to capture those emotions while painting these paintings and honor the men in your life as well. So with that being said, without taking any more of your time, I would like to take your leave over here and I will see you there in the next part of the class. So till then, bye and happy creating. Bye.